Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial Lab channel. Today we are going to do questions on the kingdom fungi. Unit 2, grade 9, biology. ዛሬ አሪፍ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። የዘጠነኛ ክፍል ኪንግደም ኦፍ ፈንጋይ በሚለው ርዕስ ላይ 12ኛ ክፍሎችም ካላችሁ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ብትሰሯቸው አብራችሁ ብትከታተሉ ታተርፉባቸዋላችሁ። አሪፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ከማትሪክ ጥያቄዎች ጋር አብረው የሚሄዱ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ጉድ Question number 1. The body of multicellular fungi is made of long, slender, seed-like structure called A. roots, B. mycelium, C. stems, D. hyphae. Which one is the correct answer? Good, I think you got the answer. Hyphae. The body of a multicellular fungi is made of long, slender, seed-like structures called what? Hyphae. So the correct answer for question number 1 is D. Stems, that means these fungi do not have stems. Roots, fungi do not have roots. Mycelium, this is a group of hyphae. So the correct answer for question number 1 is D. Question number 2. What material primarily make up the cell of fungi? A. cellulose, B. chitin, C. peptoglycan, D. glycogen. What's the name of the material that primarily make up the cellulose of fungi from the given alternatives? Good, chitin. Yeah, chitin are the primary materials that make up the cellulose of fungi. Cellulose, this one is the cellulose of plants contain or made from cellulose. Peptoglycan, the cellulose of bacteria made from peptoglycan. Glycogen, this is stored food. So the correct answer for question number 2 is chitin. Chitin is the primary material that makes up the cellulose of fungi. Good. Question number 3. How do fungi obtain their food? A. By ingesting and digesting food within their body like animals. B. By producing their own food using sunlight. C. By absorbing nutrients from the environment after digesting them externally. D. By engulfing food particles through phagocytosis. Which one is the correct answer? How do fungi obtain their food? Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is C. By absorbing nutrients from the environment after digesting them externally. This is the way how do fungi obtain their food. አይሆንም። ፈንጊዎች ጀስት አይደለም የሚያደርጉት። እንደገና ዳይጀስት የሚያደርጉት ሰውነታቸው ውስጥ አይደለም፣ ውጭ ላይ ነው። እንደ አንድ ማሎች አመጋገብ አይደለም። ሁለተኛ ፈንጊዎች የራሳቸውን ምግብ ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም። ፀሐይን ብርሃን ተጠቅመው የራሳቸውን ምግብ ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም። ምክንያቱም ክሎሮፊል ወይም ክሎሮፕላስት ስለሌላቸው። ሁለተኛ እንገልፍ ማድረግ ፉድ ፓርቲክልን እንገልፍ ማድረግ ነው። ይሄም እንገልፍ አያደርጉም። በቃ ውጪ ነው ዳይጀስቲንግ ሆኖ ዳይጀስት ከሆነ በኋላ ሲምፕለር ፉድ አይተሙን ነው ወደ ውስጥ አብዞርብ የሚያደርጉ። So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 4. Fungi that obtain nutrients from dead organic material like fallen logs and animal corpus are called A. parasites, B. autotrophs, C. mutualists, D. saprophytes. Good. The correct answer is saprophytes. The correct answer for question number 4 is D. saprophytes. Parasites, these are fungi that live in or on other living organisms as a parasite. Autotrophs, these are organisms that can manufacture their own food. Fungi are not autotrophs. Mutualists, the relationship between fungi with other organisms as mutualism. So here the question is that fungi that obtain nutrients from dead organic materials are called saprophytes. Good. Question number 5. Candida albicans is given an example of what type of fungus? A mutualist fungus that helps termites. B. A decomposer fungus that breaks down wood. C. A pathogenic fungus that causes disease in humans. D. A fungus used to make alcoholic beverages. Candida albicans is an example of what type of fungus? It is a pathogenic fungus that causes disease in humans. ይሄ ቆዳ ላይ ሽፍታ የሚያመጣው ነው። ይሄ ፈንገስ ዝርያ ነው። ሙቹዋሊስት ፈንገስ አይደለም። ከተርማይት ጋር የሚኖር የሙቹዋሊስት ፈንገስ አይነት አይደለም። ዲኮምፖሰር ፈንገስ አይደለም። ፓቶጀኒክ ፈንገስ ነው። ሰው ላይ በሽታ የቆዳ በሽታ ሊያመጣ የሚችል የፈንገስ ዝርያ ነው። ፈንገስ ጁዱ ቱ ሜክ አልኮሊክ ቤቨሬጅስ ይሄም አይደለም። ፈንገስ ዛት ጁዱ ቱ ሜክ አልኮሊክ ቤቨሬጅ ይስት ናቸው። So the correct answer is C. A lichen is a symbiotic relationship between which type of organisms? A fungus and a plant root. B, a fungus and an animal. C, a fungus and an algae. D, a fungus and a bacterium. A lichen is a symbiotic relationship between two types of organisms. What are the name of these organisms? Good. The correct answer is C. A fungus and a plant root. ይሄ ማይኮሪዜ ነው የሚባለው። A fungus and an animal ይሄ ፓራሳይት ሊሆን ይችላል። A fungus and a bacterium ሜቢ ፓራሳይት ሊሆን ይችላል። So ሊችን የሚፈጥሩት ፈንገስ እና አልጌ ሙቹዋሊስቲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ፈጥረው ነው። Number 7. Which unicellular fungus is highlighted as being important for making injera and alcoholic beverages? A, mushroom. B, yeast. C, mold. D, rust. Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? Which is important for making injera, bread, or wine, or beer, and alcoholic beverages like beer, wine, talla, taj. Good. The correct answer is B, yeast. So yeast is a unicellular fungus, which is important for making injera and alcoholic beverage. Good. So it's important for fermentation. The correct answer for question number 7 is B. Question number 8. What's the process where food is digested outside a fungus cells before being absorbed? A, digestion. B, intracellular digestion. C, ingestion. D, extracellular digestion. What's the correct answer? What's the process where food is digested outside a fungus cells before being absorbed? And this process called what? Good. The correct answer is what? Extracellular digestion. This is the process where food is digested outside a fungus cells before being absorbed, and that process called extracellular digestion. ውጭ ላይ ምግብን ማድቀቅ እነዚህ ፈንገሶች ኢንዛይም ሰክሪት ያደርጋሉ፣ ያመነጫሉ። እዛ አካባቢ ከሰውነታቸው ውጭ ያለው ማቴሪያል ዳይጀስት ይሆናል፣ ይብላላል። ከዛ ከተብላላ በኋላ ሲምፕለር ፎርሙን አብዞርብ ያደርጉታል፣ ግሉኮስ እና አሚኖ አሲድን። ይህ ሂደት ይሄ ፕሮሰስ የሚባል ኤክስትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን ይባላል። ኢንትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን ለምሳሌ ሂውማን ቢንግ ሰውነት ውስጥ ዳይጀስት ማድረግ ነው። ኢንትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን ማለት ሰውነት ውስጥ ምግብን ዳይጀስት ማድረግ ኢንትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን ይባላል። ኢንጀክሽን ይሄ ቆሻሻ ማስወጣት ነው። ኢንጀክሽን ማለት ደግሞ መመገብ ማለት መብላት ማለት መዋጥ ማለት ነው፣ ወይንም ወደ አፍ ውስጥ መብላት ዛት ነው ኢንጀክሽን ይባላል። ጉድ mycorrhizae is a mutualistic association between which two types of organisms? A fungus and a higher plant roots. B, a fungus and a termite. C, a fungus and an algae. D, a fungus and a bacterium. Mycorrhizae is a mutualistic relationship or a mutualistic association between which two types of organisms? I think you got the answer. Good. The correct answer is a fungus and a higher plant roots. And this mutualistic association between fungus and higher plant roots is known as what? Mycorrhizae. Good. A fungus and a termite ይሄ አይሆንም። ያው ሪሌሽንሺፕ አላቸው ሙቹዋሊስቲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ፣ ግን ማይኮሪዛ አይደለም የሚባለው። ፈንገስ ኤንድ አልጌ ይሄ ቅድም ተናገር ነው ሊችንስ የሚባለው። ፈንገስ ኤንድ ባክቴሪየም it may be a parasite or other type of association. Good. Question number 10. You discover a loaf of bread with a fuzzy black growth on it. The growth is most likely a part of which major fungal group? A, Basidiomycota. B, Ascomycota. Zygomycota. D, Chytridiomycota. So which one is the correct answer? You discover a loaf of bread with what? Fuzzy black growth on it. So this fungus is grouped in which type of fungal group? Or this fungus is classified in which fungal group? Good. The correct answer is C. Zygomycota. ዳቦ ላይ ብላክ ግሮዝ አግኛችሁ የሆነ ፈንገስ ነገር አገኛችሁ። ያ ፈንገስ ከየትኛው ከተሰጡ ውስጥ ከየትኛው ነው የሚመደበው ነው። ዳቦ ላይ የሚወጣው የፈንገስ ዝርያ ይሄ ብላክ ግሮዝ ፎርም ኦፍ ፈንጋይ ምን ይባላል? ዛይጎማይኮታ በመባል ይታወቃል። So the correct answer for question number 10 is C. Question number 11. A gardener noticed that their tomato plants are healthier and more robust when a specific type of fungus is present in the soil. This symbiotic relationship where the fungus helps the plant absorb nutrients known as A. lichen, B. mycorrhizae, C. parasitism, D. predation. Which is the correct answer? A gardener knows that their tomato plants are what? Healthier, more robust when a specific type of fungus is present in the soil. This symbiotic relationship where the fungus helps the plant absorb nutrients is known as that lichens, that mycorrhizae, or parasitism, or predation. Good. The correct answer is mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae is important for plants to absorb nutrients from the soil. So the correct answer is B. mycorrhizae. Lichen, this is association between fungi and algae ብለናል። parasitism is a parasite. predation ማለት prey predator ነው ወይም ነብር ሚዳቆ መብላት that is known as predation ይባላል። Good. So the correct answer for question number 11 is B. Question number 12. What is a key difference between the nutritional strategy of fungi and animals? A. Animals are heterotrophic while fungi are autotrophic. B. Animals ingest their food and then digest it internally while fungi digest their food externally before absorbing the nutrients. C. Fungi are exclusively decomposer while animals are exclusively consumer. D. Animals absorb nutrients through hyphae while fungi use a digestive tract. So which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? What is the key difference between the nutritional strategy of fungi and animals from the given alternatives? የመጀመሪያው ኤ አኒማልስ አር ሄትሮትሮፊክ ወይል ፈንጊ አር አውቶትሮፊክ ይላል። ይሄ አኒማልም ፈንጋይም ሄትሮትሮፊክ ናቸው። ፈንጋይ አውቶትሮፊክ አይደሉም። ስለዚህ ኤ ትክክል አይሆንም ማለት ነው። The correct answer from the given alternative is what? B. B is the correct answer. Animals ingest their food and then digest it internally, where fungi digest their food externally before absorbing nutrients. አኒማሎች ፉድን ኢንጀስት ያደርጋሉ፣ ይመገባሉ። ከዛ በኋላ ምግቡ የሚፈጨው ሰውነታቸው ውስጥ ነው። ፈንጊዎች ግን ምግቡ የሚፈጨው ከሰውነታቸው ውጭ ነው። ኤንዛይም ሪሊዝ ያደርጋሉ ወደ ውጭ ከሰውነታቸው ውጭ። ያ ኤንዛይም እዛ አካባቢ ያለው ምግብ ዳይጀስት ያደርገዋል፣ ብሬክዳውን ያደርገዋል። ያ የደቀቀው ምግብን አብዞርብ ያደርጋሉ። ስለዚህ ዳይጀሽኑ ኤክስተርናል ነው የፈንጋይ። የአኒማል ደግሞ ዳይጀሽኑ ኢንተርናል ነው። አኒማልስ ኢንትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን አላቸው፣ ፈንጊ ደግሞ ኤክስትራሴሉላር ዳይጀሽን ያደርጋሉ። ጉድ። ሲ ፈንጋይ አር ኤክስክሉሲቭሊ ዲኮምፖዘርስ ዌል አኒማልስ አር ኤክስክሉሲቭሊ ኮንሱመርስ። የአኒማል ዝርያዎችም አሉ፣ ፈንጊዎችም ኮንሱመሮች አሉ። አኒማልስ አብዞርብ ኑትሪየንትስ ትሩ ሃይፋይ ዌል ፈንጋይ ዩዝ ዳይጀስቲቭ ትራክት ተቃራኒ ነው። አኒማልስ ዩዝ ዳይጀስቲቭ ትራክት ዌራስ ፈንጋይ አብዞርብ ኑትሪየንትስ through what? ሃይፋይ ተቃራኒ ሆን መልስ ይሆን ነበር። So the correct answer is B for question number 12. Good. Question number 13. A mutualistic relationship involving fungi is A. Athlete's food infection, B. Termites digesting food with fungal enzymes, C. Orange mold decomposition, D. wheat rust disease. Which one is a mutualistic relationship involving fungi from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is B. Termites digesting food with their fungal enzyme. The correct answer is B. Termites digest wood with fungal enzyme. This one is a mutualistic relationship between termites and fungus. Athlete's foot infection ይሄ ፓራሳይት ነው። ኦረንጅ ሙል ዲኮምፖዚሽን ይሄኛው ዲኮምፖዝ ነው የሚያደርገው። ዌት ሮስት ዲዚዝ ይሄም ፓራሳይት ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ ውስጥ ሙቹዋሊስቲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ የትኛው ነው? ምስጥና ፈንገስ። ጉድ። ምስጡ ለፈንገሱ እንደ ሃቢታት ሆኖ ያገለግለዋል። ፈንገሱ ደግሞ ኤንዛይም ያመነጫል። የሚያመነጩ ኤንዛይም ተርማይቱ የሚሰበሰበው ምግብ ዳይጀስት ያደርግለታል። ጉድ። Question number 14. Why are fungi such as mushroom not classified as plants? A. They are multicellular. B. They grow in the soil. C. They lack chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. D. They have rigid cellulose. እነ ማሽሩም እንጉዳይ ለምንድን ነው ከፕላንት ጋር ክላሲፋይድ ያልሆኑበት ምክንያት? ዋናው ምክንያት ከተሰጡት ምርጫዎች ውስጥ Good. The reason is C. Fungi such as mushrooms lack chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. So they cannot be classified as plants. መልቲሴሉላር ስለሆኑ ነው። ፕላንትም ፈንጊያ መልቲሴሉላር ናቸው። they grow in the soil ሁለቱም አፋር ላይ ይበቅላሉ። ሴሉላ አላቸው፣ ሁለቱም ሴሉላ አላቸው። የሴሉላ አይነታቸው ቢለያይም የፕላንት ሴሉል በውስጡ ሴሉሎስ ነው የያዘው። የፈንጋይ ሴሉሎስ ደግሞ ምንድነው? ካይተን ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ ውስጥ ከፕላንት ጋር ያልተመደበበት ዋናው ምክንያት ፈንጋዮች ክሎሮፊል አላቸው፣ ምግባቸውን ማዘጋጀት አይችሉም። Good. Question number 15. A mycelium, the main body of a fungus, is best described as A. The part of the fungus that produces spore. B. A single long fungal cell. C. A large visible reproductive structure like a mushroom cap. D. An extensive interwoven network of hyphae. What is mycelium? Could you define it? What's mycelium from the given alternatives? Is that a part of fungus that produces spores? Is that a single long fungal cells? The correct answer is what? D. Mycelium is an extensive interwoven network of hyphae. This is the correct description of mycelium. A. The part of the fungus that produces spore. Spore produce የሚያደርጉት አይደሉም mycelium የሚባሉት። A single long fungal cell ይሄ ደግሞ ሃይፋ ነው የሚባለው። A large visible reproductive structure like mushroom cap, a mushroom cap እሱ ነው mycelium የሚባለው ይላል አይደለም። So mycelium is an extensive interwoven network of hyphae. The correct answer for question number 15 is D. Question number 16. What is the primary mode for reproduction in fungi involving the dispersal of reproductive cells? A. Binary fission. B. Spore formation. C. Budding. D. Meiosis. Which one is the correct answer? From the given alternatives, what's the primary mode of reproduction in fungi involving the dispersal of reproductive cells? Good. The correct answer is B. Spore formation is the primary mode of reproduction in fungi that involves the dispersal of reproductive cells. The correct answer for question number 16 is B. Spore formation. Good. Number 17. A lichen is a composite organisms arising from algae living among filaments of a fungus in a symbiotic relationship. What do the fungus and the photosynthetic partner each provide? A. A fungus provides water and minerals. The partner provides energy from photosynthesis. B. The fungus provides energy. The partner provides protection. B. Both partners provide energy from photosynthesis. D. The fungus provides protection. The partner provides water and minerals. Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? Lichen composed of two individuals or two species, algae and there is a fungus. And this algae and fungus live in symbiotic relationship. So what's the contribution of each partner in this symbiotic relationship from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is A. The fungus provides water and mineral, or the fungus absorbs water and minerals, whereas the partner, that means the algae or the alga provides energy from photosynthesis. The alga perform photosynthesis. The alga make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, whereas the fungus absorb water and minerals from the environment. So that relationship between this alga and fungus is, the correct answer is A. The fungus provide energy. The fungus energy provide ማድረግ ፎቶሲንቴሲስ ማካሄድ አይችልም። both partner provide energy for ሁለቱም ፈንገስም አልጋልም ፈንገስም ምግባቸውን ማዘጋጀት ይችላሉ ነው የሚለው። ምግባቸውን የሚያዘጋጀው አልጌው ነው። ፈንገሱ ምግብ ማዘጋጀት አይችልም። ስለዚህ አይሆንም። the fungus provide protection and the partner provide water and minerals። ይሄም አይሆንም። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ውስጥ ፈንገስ ውሃና ሚነራል አብዞርብ ያደርጋል፣ አልጌው ደግሞ ምግቡን ያዘጋጃል። ያዘጋጀው ምግብ ፈንገው ይጠቀምበታል ማለት ነው። ከአልጌ የተረፈው ነው። question number 18 all of the following are characteristics of kingdom fungi except A they are aquatic, B they are motile using flagella for movement, C they are heterotrophic, D they have cell wall. Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives regarding the characters of kingdom fungi? Good, the correct answer is B. A they are eukaryotic አዎ eukaryotic ናቸው። C they are heterotrophic አዎ ፈንጊዎች heterotrophic ናቸው። D they have cell wall ፈንጊዎች cell wall አላቸው። Fungi in general are non-motile and they do not have flagella. So the correct answer is B. Fungi are non-motile. They are sessile. But in a few fungal species, their gametes may be motile. Good. So the correct answer from the given alternative, all are the character, all the three, karyotic, heterotrophic, cell wall are the characters of kingdom fungi, but motility is not the characters of fungi. Good. Question number 19. Which of the following statements best describe the ecological importance of fungi as decomposers? A. They are the only organism capable of breaking down organic matter. B. They parasitize living organisms, controlling population sizes. C. They are essential for recycling nutrients, making them available for other organisms in the ecosystem. D. They produce oxygen, which is vital for aerobic respiration. Question number 19. Which of the following statements best describe the ecological importance of fungi as decomposers? As decomposers, fungi are very important in the ecology. So what is the ecological importance of fungi from the given alternatives? ለኢኮሎጂ ያላቸው ጥቅም ምንድን ነው? ለአካባቢ ያላቸው ጥቅም ምንድን ነው? ፈንጊዎች ከተሰጡት ምርጫዎች ውስጥ Good. The correct answer is C. They are essential for recycling of nutrients, make them available for other organisms in the ecosystem. So fungi are important in the ecology in order to recycle different nutrients. So they are important to recycle nutrients. This is the ecological advantage or importance of fungi in a particular ecosystem or in the ecosystem. As they are the only organisms capable of breaking down of organic matter. እነሱ ብቻ አይደሉም፣ ሌሎች ኦርጋኒዝሞች አሉ ኦርጋኒክ ማተርን ብሬክ ዳውን የሚያደርጉ። ቢ ፓራሳይት ስለሆነ ይላል። ይሄም አይሆንም። ለኢኮሲስተሙ ፓራሳይት መሆናቸው ለኢኮሲስተም የሚያገለግለው ነገር የለም። ኮንትሮል ፖፑሌሽን ሳይዝ፣ ይሄም ከዲኮምፖዘር ጋር ነው እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄው። እንደ ዲኮምፖዘር ሆነው ነው ፖፑሌሽን ሳይዙን በመግደል ኮንትሮል ያደርጉ ይችላሉ። ነገር ግን ጥያቄው ምንድነው? ከዲኮምፖዘር ጋር የተገናኘ ነው። ኢኮሎጂካል ኢምፖርታንስ ኦፍ ፈንጋይ አስ ኤ ዲኮምፖዘር። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ኢዝ ሲ ፎር ኩዌስችን ነምበር 19። ዲ ዘይ ፕሮዲዩስ ኦክሲጅን፣ በፍጹም ኦክሲጅን ፕሮዲዩስ አያደርጉም ምክንያቱም ፎቶሲንተሲስ ያካሂዱ። ስለዚህ ሲ። ኩዌስችን ነምበር 18 ቲኒያ ፔዲስ ኢዝ ኤ ፈንጋል ኢንፌክሽን ኮዚንግ ኤ ኢንተስታይናል ኢልነስ፣ ቢ ስኪን ራሽ፣ ሲ አትሌቲክስ ፉት፣ ዲ ሪስፓራቶሪ ዲዚዝ። which one is the correct answer? ቲኒያ ፔዲስ is a fungal infection causing what? ኢንተስታይናል ኢልነስ ነው የሚያመጣው፣ የአንጀት አካባቢ ያለ በሽታ ስኪን ረሽ የቆዳ ሽፍታ፣ አትሌቲክስ ፉት ይሄ እግርን የሚያሸት ቆዳ በሽታ ወይም ስፓራቶድ የመተንፈሻ አካል በሽታ። ቲኒያ ፔዲስ is a fungal infection causing what? Good. The correct answer is C. Tinea pedis is a fungal infection causing athlete's foot. So the correct answer from the given alternative for question number 10 is C. athlete's foot የሚያመጣ የቲኒያ ፔዲስ የሚባለው እግርን የሚያሸት በብዛት ወንዶች እግራቸው ይሸታል። የሚሸት በዛ ውስጥ ፈንገስ ስላለ ነው። ያ ፈንገስ ምን ይባላል? ቲኒያ ፔዲስ ይባላል። አትሌቲክስ ፉት የሚያመጣው የእግር ሽታ የሚያመጣ የፈንገስ ዝርያ ነው። Question number 21. Which of the following fungal phylum and spore type pairs is incorrectly matched? A. Basidiomycota, Basidospore. B. Zygomycota, Zygospore. C. Ascomycota, Ascospore. D. Chatridomycota, Gulumirospore. Which one is incorrectly matched with the fungal phylum with a particular spore they produce? Good. The correct answer is D. This one is not correctly matched. The other are correctly matched. Basidiomycota produce a kind of spores known as Basidospore. Zygomycota produce a kind of spores known as Zygospore. Ascomycota produce a kind of spores known as Ascospore. So all are correctly matched, but D is incorrect. Glomerulospore is a kind of spore that is produced by Glucomeromycota. So the answer for question number 21 is D. This one is incorrectly matched. All the others are correctly matched. Thank you.